Coffee, written by Shri N.J. Ravichandar. Remember those old commercials where a person is roused from their slumber by the aroma of freshly brewed coffee? Many swear by its magical powers. It is believed to calm frayed nerves or ease headaches. Former US President Thomas Jefferson termed it the favorite drink of the civilized world. The story goes that Ethiopian goat herder Kaldi discovered the coffee berry by chance when his goats turned hyperactive after feasting on them and did not doze off as usual. Kaldi reported his findings to the abbot of the local monastery, who made a drink with the berries and found that it kept him alert through the long evening prayer. Knowledge of the berries spread, and the stimulating drink soon replaced the common breakfast beverages of the 17th century. During my childhood, coffee was consumed with jaggery as sugar was very expensive. The golden clumps of sugar were stored in a tall, airtight tin container and would be refilled every month. We graduated to coffee with sugar much later, unaware that we lost the goodness of jaggery. I will always cherish the memories of enjoying my breakfast with Grandpa as a school going lad. The cup of steaming filter coffee was the perfect accompaniment to the breakfast of soft triangle shaped chapatis and spicy tomato chutney. The flavor lingered long after and was just what the doctor ordered. My late father's favorite breakfast, unbelievably, was chapati with coffee. He would remove its soft ends, roll it, and dip it into the coffee before taking a bite. The practice caught on with his offsprings. One of my great grand aunts, my mother in law, and my maternal granduncle loved to have their ambrosia in a tall brass tumbler. They were hardcore coffee addicts, and anything less than this measure would upset them. The longest running talk show in Indian television, Coffee with Karan, hosted by film producer and director Karan Johar, derives its inspiration from the brew. The coffee hampers given out to the winners on the show contain, besides other goodies, a personalized coffee roasted by Blue Tokai. There is also an English weekly aptly called Coffee Land News, printed from Coorg, the land of coffee. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that coffee drinkers were less likely to die from heart and respiratory diseases, stroke, and infections. It is indeed the cup of cheers. Thank you for listening. One of my great grand aunts, my mother in law, and my maternal granduncle loved to have their ambrosia in a tall brass tumbler. Ambrosia. Ambrosia means the food of gods said to bestow immortality, that is, Amrit. Thank you for listening.